Alright guys, and welcome back to a new video. Today I just want to show you my live trade. I'm in this long here, and as you can see here, I think I can explain the setup at first. Today is Tuesday and I'm in this trade here. The problem is this is not the exact entry, but this is the entry I would want to take, but I was a bit too late. So as you can see, we had this, I think I can just go on the hourly chart. I'm a bit nervous right now because I'm in the trade, but yeah, we had this big gap here. I would say on higher time frame we are still bearish, but yeah, we just filled this gap here completely with this long wick here, and I was like, okay, maybe we sweep London highs again, or yeah, this high again. So I was like, okay, I wanted to long, and yeah, what I did once we had the New York open, and the open was here, I measured the manipulation range here from this move, and so you can see. This here was the New York Open, so it was at 9:30. I think we almost have my TP. Yeah, I think let's stay here at first. So I measured this range here, so this is the same chart here. Just want to see my TP hit. I have to get out earlier here, by the way, because this is just a combine, and on Topstep you are only allowed to make $1,500. So I can't put my TP up here, so this would be my normal target, because you can see there is a lot of stacked liquidity, so a lot of stacked highs here. What I mean by this, or that is, you have this high here which was not taken out by this high here, by this, so there are a lot of stop loss here, a lot of liquidity here. So yeah, price wants to sweep these levels here, so yeah, it's like a magnet for price. But yeah, unfortunately I have to get out here because I'm not allowed to make more money. But yeah, I think now I can explain this trade. So what I simply did, so we had the New York Open here at 9:30. I measured this range here. I think I can go on the 1 minute chart. Now you can see it. I did it with standard deviation. This is this simply tool here. I have a video on this, so if you're interested, just check out my channel. I think now we have, yeah, so we made $1.5 thousand. Also going to lock this account. But yeah, let's get back to the setup. So in what we want to see, this is the manipulation range here, and we measure a potential price target for the future. And what I always do is I wait for -4. So what we can see is at -4 price started to retrace, and this is what I wanted to see. So I'm using -4 to predict a potential reversal from a short-term swing point, and that's what we received. And that's legit it. And the rest, or the last thing I'm waiting for, is just the first inversion fair value gap getting ignored. This is what we had here. And then my potential entry was here. I was a bit too slow. But yeah, then I entered here on this gap. But you can see still almost 3R. So yeah, this is how I take my entries. I'm not sure if we hit these highs here, because I would say I'm still bearish, and I'm not sure if this hourly candle will close bullish. So maybe we get a rejection from this order block here. I'm not quite sure. Maybe we get S&T with the S here or something, because long term I'm still not bullish. We just had these Trump news on Friday, I think. But yeah, you also strap this low here. So this is a bullish setup. And yeah, I mean, if you can also use, for example, premium discount as a target, but like I said, we are in a bearish environment. I don't really want to target all these highs here, but you can see we have all these untouched old highs here. So if we were in a bullish market, I would literally go for this level here. I would target higher, but now I'm a bit careful. So for example, today, because we're in a bearish environment, like once we see like a bearish market structure shift here in this area, I would go at least to break even. But yeah, I'm not sure what the outcome is, but I think I'm just going to let this play out. And yeah, that's it. If you have any questions, just ask me, and yeah, see you next time.